Oh, hello. I'm recently deceased celebrity, Don Knotts. You might remember me from Three's Company. But today I'm here to talk to you about solar winds. Are you tired of having your home destroyed by harmful solar winds that pass through Earth's magnetic field? I know I was. That's why I got Farmers MetLife All-State Solar Wind Insurance.
Hello friends, I'm Charlie Baker, but you can call me Chuck because you and I are friends. Recently, my home and life was destroyed when solar winds broke through the Earth's magnetic field.
Oh, I'm a woman and I'm on fire.
Oh, now what am I gonna do? After the solar winds came, I was left with nowhere to live. No wife to cook or clean the mess that the solar winds had left behind. Luckily, 6 months earlier, I had purchased MetLife Farmers State Insurance Solar Wind Insurance. Met State Life Farmers Auto Solar Wind Insurance came through when I needed it most. They gave me a new home and even upgraded my wife to clean, cook, do the laundry, iron the clothes, raise my children, all things women should do. I was even allowed to trade up on all my property. Thanks a lot, MetLife State Farmers Insurance Solar Wind Insurance. You were great.
See, what happens is the solar wind comes off the sun, and that comes toward the Earth. But luckily, because Earth has a liquid core that spins very fast, and it causes these, as you can see, these magnetic shields to form around the Earth. And the solar wind will hit that magnetic shield and deflect off and get caught in it so that it won't affect the Earth. The one time it does pass through, it's going to come in and it's going to destroy your house and kill your family. Is that what you want? I don't think so.
A solar flare is a violent explosion in the sun's atmosphere with an energy equivalent to tens of millions of hydrogen bombs. Most flares occur around sunspots, where intense magnetic fields emerge from the sun's surface into the corona. The energy associated with solar flares may take several hours or even days to build up, but most flares take only a matter of minutes to release their energy. Earth's magnetic field originates in its liquid core, where electric currents are excited by fluid flows. The magnetosphere contains magnetically trapped plasma, gas of free ions and electrons. Some scientists believe that without a magnetosphere, Earth would have lost the majority of its water and atmosphere and resemble Mars or Mercury. That's why MetLife Farmers Auto Insurance Solar Wind Insurance is so crucial. You may have heard of the natural phenomenon called the Northern Lights, also known as Auroralis. The aurora is a glow observed in the night sky, usually in the polar zone. The aurora borealis often occurs from September to October and March to April. What ends up happening is solar wind flares send particles towards the Earth, and when it hits the magnetic field, causes these particles to charge and create a vast light show. It's quite beautiful if you ever get a chance to see it.
Solar will are unpredictable, and the only way to protect yourself is to prepare. That's why MetLife Farmers All-State Solar Wind Insurance is so crucial.
It's astronomy class, retard.
Thanks to astronomy class. I've been editing all night.
This is where Alex Wolf would be right now if he had been here for half of this project. But he isn't, because he's at a party right now being the designated driver, which is responsible of him, but irresponsible of him to leave us with the work, especially because Tom isn't even in the class.
Perfecto!